How to change Facebook page name. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can change Facebook page name. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to change your Facebook page name, first of all you can head over to your main account with which the page is associated. After that you can go to this section and open up the menu. After it opens up, you can switch up to your Facebook page. So go ahead and open it up. And once you open it up, you'll be finding this interface. So again, head over to this menu bar and open it up. And this time, head over to settings. After opening up your settings, from this menu, you need to scroll down and head over to under audience and visibility, where you'll be finding page setup, this one right here. Go ahead and just tap on it to open it up. After that, you will be finding this. So go to this name section and you can just go ahead and cancel out this name and write up a new name for your page. For example, flower shop. Let me just go ahead and do that and tap on this review change. And if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. So be sure before you submit for approval. After that, go ahead and tap on it, and that is it. So that is how you change your Facebook page name following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.